Hi guys, with another video. Today I am gonna show you how you can change the brake booster check valve, which is here, and this is the new one. I got the Dorman Universal, and yeah, brake booster check valve. So first things first, just pull this one right here, pull it right there, and pull the other right here. Pull it. Okay, this is it. And also you have to take it out this garment here. Let me show here. Okay, this is the one, as you see. Right there. This is the one. This is the older one. Okay, this. Okay. This is the this is the new one, as you see. And just bring together the older and new one, then compare it. And if they look like the same, just go ahead and put it. This is the same. Yeah, this is the older one, which is was broken, as you see right there. It's broken. But this is the new one on my right hand. So let's go ahead and put this together. This is the new garment. We have to put it. Let me see. After this. Okay. This is the one you just put it inside. Right here. Right there. See, as you see, this goes there, and this goes here. You're gonna push it. Right. Okay. A little bit push more. Alright. Then just put this hose inside of here, and then you're done. Right here. This is the one. Okay. That's it. This is the way it is. I need to push a little bit more this hose all the way and down here. As this is the way you can put your brake booster check valve, and very easy to replacement, and it's not gonna cost a lot to you guys, and I just pay the $7 for this. Once again, brake booster check valve. And thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.